there was a time I've gone and I wanted to be so sad. It's about this and I let me now between me and now. One season. One for Chile when I said. Also, Kataman, some my kids because of Lava and Panamakanda Makulu, very bad game. And the unfortunate thing, I think it was a few weeks before Sizo was here in Limpopo. He said something very, well, now it's profound because of when you reflect back from what he said. He was very special in terms of saying things that they happened. I remember I was driving, I did not share it with a lot of people. I was driving in Montoya, the guy with TK that was here. So, like, and he said, when I left me inside, I was to listen to Zala and Klabe. Joe. I just went. And Unkulu man, or Nati. Manati Labatata, I'm a mistake. That's what he said.